You have a big project to start, a workout you need to do, a difficult email to write. But instead, you find yourself watching another video, scrolling on social media, or doing anything but the one thing you know you should be doing. That's procrastination. And it's not because you're lazy. It's because your brain is trying to protect you from discomfort. But what if I told you that the secret to stopping procrastination isn't about willpower? It's about a simple trick to outsmart your own mind. In this video, I'll give you 3 simple steps that work so you can finally start today. I know a guy named Alex. Alex had big dreams. He wanted to start a business, learn to code, and get in shape. But his dreams always stayed dreams. He would have a burst of motivation, buy a book, and then nothing. The book would collect dust. He always felt guilty and frustrated with himself. He'd tell me, "I just can't get started. I feel stuck." He thought he had a huge procrastination problem. But the truth is, his problem wasn't a lack of motivation. It was a failure to take one tiny first step. Here are the 3 simple steps that finally helped Alex and can help you too. Step 1. The 5-minute rule. The hardest part of any task isn't the task itself, it's starting it. So here's what you do. Tell yourself you'll work on the task for just 5 minutes. That's it. Set a timer and commit to only 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, if you still don't want to do it, you can stop. More often than not, you'll find yourself already in the flow and will continue working. Step 2, break it down. If your task is clean the garage, it feels huge. Instead, break it down into the smallest possible action. Don't say clean the garage. Say put one tool back on the wall. Don't say write a report. Say write the title of the report. A tiny, non-threatening step is always easier to start. Step 3. Reward yourself. Our brains love rewards. Use this to your advantage. After you complete your tiny first step, give yourself a small reward. Maybe it's a 5-minute break to scroll your phone or a quick cup of coffee. This creates a positive feedback loop. Your brain associates a small action with a small reward, making it easier to start next time. Alex finally understood. He wasn't fighting a war against laziness. He was just using smart, simple tricks to make action easier than inaction. By focusing on small steps and rewarding himself, he built momentum. And that's the key to stopping procrastination for good. Try these simple steps today. Pick one task you've been putting off, use the 5-minute rule, break it down, and then give yourself a reward. Let us know in the comments which tip worked best for you.